Dear students, in this chapter, algebraic expressions, we have already discussed about basics of algebra and various operation on algebraic expression, that is first operation, that is addition, and in the last video, we had discussed about the subtraction of monomial expression, right? So today's video is going to be about subtraction of binomial expressions. So let's get started. Students, whenever we apply this subtraction operation on binomial as well as on trinomial expression, we follow some specific steps to subtract those binomial as well as trinomial expression. So first of all, before starting our topic, we will discuss these steps. So here are the steps. Number 1, write the second expression. That means we have to write the second expression in the given statement first. Number 2, write the first expression below second expression, that is vertically arrange the two expression in that way the like terms of both expression should be under one another, right? So here is the second step. The like terms of both expressions should be under one another, right? Number 3, we have to log the sign of the first expression and change them, right? And number 4 is subtract the two expressions horizontally and get the answers, right? Now students, we will take a couple of examples to understand that how to apply these steps on the given statement for subtracting them, right? Now first read the statement. Subtract the following expressions. We have to subtract the given expressions, right? Now here 2a plus 4b from 5a plus 9b. Now here you can see that this is your first expression. Why first expression? Because this is a type of expression that is binomial. Why binomial? Because it contains two terms, that is 2a plus 4b. Similarly, it is also a binomial expression because it contains again two terms, right? This is 5a plus 9b. So here this is your first expression, right? And this one is your second expression. Now we have to subtract this from this, right? So that means we will take it as first and we will take it as second expression. Now from means what? From means second minus first. You have already done this in the junior classes, right? So we will start this question by writing here second minus first. Clear? Now we will start the question stepwise. So first of all, we will recall the first step. What was the first step for subtracting the two binomials? Here it is. Number 1, write the second expression. So what will we do? We will write the second expression. Now here you can see that second expression is this. So first of all, we will write here first. Here, second expression, that is 5a plus 9b. Now here you can see that in the statement, no sign was there with 5a. So that means there is plus sign. So you will put here plus sign, plus 5a plus 9b, right? Now move to the second step. Now second step is here. Write the first expression below second expression. That is vertically arrange the two expression in that way the like terms of the both expressions should be under one another, right? So that means here we have to write the first expression below second one. So here's the first expression. Here we have to write this first expression below second expression. In that way, the like terms of both expressions should be under one another, right? Now here you will see that first term of this expression is 2a. So you will write this term under the term with the variable a. Now here you can see that this is the term with the variable a. So that means you will write 2a just below 5a, right? So here I have written. Next is plus 4b. So you will write 4b just below plus 9b, right? Next third step is log the sign of first expression and change them, right? Now here we will log the sign of first expression. This is the first expression, right? So here we will log these signs and change this sign. And you know this very well whenever we lock the sign, that is plus sign, it will change into minus, right? So here we will lock plus sign, so it will change into minus, right? Now what we have to do, we have to follow the fourth step. What is the fourth step? Now here's the fourth step. Subtract the two expressions horizontally and get your answer, right? Now we have to subtract both these expressions by using these change sign, okay? So here you can see plus 9b and minus 4b is there. Now what we have to do, we have to take a partition line and we have to do all the calculation here only, right? Now here you will write plus 9 and here minus 4, and you know the integers rule for plus minus, that is plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number. So here you will have 9 minus 4, that is 5, and plus sign you will take here because it is the sign of bigger term, right? So here you will write plus 5 and the answer will be plus 5b. You will keep it in your mind that you have to take the variable along with the numerical coefficient, right? Next, plus 5a minus 2a. Again you will write here plus 5 and minus 2, only numerical coefficient you will take here, right? So here plus minus, again sign of bigger term, subtract the number, so you will have plus 3, and here you will write your answer plus 3a. Is that clear? Now move to the example number 2. Again here subtract 3x minus 5y from 9x minus 7y. So that means this one is your first expression, this will be your second expression, and from means what? Second minus first. So you have to do this question in this way only. Here you will underline this and you will write your first expression, underline this, you will write your second expression and underline from also, and from means second minus first. Now you will start your question by writing here second minus first. Now you will write here again second expression first, right? This is the first step. Write the second expression. So here it is 9x minus 7y, again with 9 no sign, that means you will write here plus 9x minus 7y. And the first expression is 3x minus 5y, and you have to be careful about the variables and you have to write the like terms just under one another, right? Now here you can see that 3x, you will write 3x just below plus 9x and minus 5y below minus 7y. And you have to lock these signs and change this sign, lock and change. When you will lock minus sign, it will change into plus and plus will change into minus. Now again you will use only these numerical coefficient and with the change sign. So here you will write minus 7 plus 5 and minus plus sign of bigger term, subtract the numbers. So here you got minus 2. Here you will write minus 2y, right? Again plus 9 minus 3. So here you will write plus 9 minus 3, that is plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number, right? So here is your answer, that is plus 6. So plus 6x minus 2y. Clear? Now move to example number 3. Now here you can see that here I have taken the variables like x square minus y square. So here's your first expression, that is 5x square minus 8y square from minus 10x square plus 6y square, right? Now we will follow the same steps. So here the first step is to write the second expression. So which is the second expression? Here it is. Minus 10x square plus 6y, and now we will write the first expression, right? So here it is plus 5x square minus 8y square. So you will write plus 5x square just below minus 10x square and minus 8y square just below plus 6y square. Now we will lock these signs and change them. Now minus will change into plus, plus will change into minus. Again, now here you will take these numerical coefficients, that is plus 6 plus 8. So plus 6 plus 8 means plus 14. Now here you will write plus 14y square. Next is minus 10 minus 5. So minus 10 minus 5 means minus minus sign of minus, add the numbers. So here you will get minus 15. So here you will write minus 15 x square plus 14 y square. That is what exactly we want, right? Now student, move to example number 4. Here is example number 4. Subtract minus b plus 6a from 5a plus 3b, right? Now here again, we will follow the same steps that we have followed in the last examples. So here you will write the second step first, second expression first, that is plus 5a plus 3b, right? Now you will write here first expression. So first expression is this, minus b plus 6a. Now here you will see that first term of this expression is minus b. Now you will be very careful about the variables and you have to write this minus b just below the term with the variable b. Now here you will see that in this expression first term is plus 5a, so you can't write here, right? So next is plus 3b. Yes, here it is. Here you will write just below 3b, you will write here minus b. Now minus b is here, no numerical coefficient with this. So that means you will put here 1, right? So whenever we don't have any numerical coefficient with the given variable, so always you put there 1, right? So next is plus 6a. So that is you will write plus 6a just below plus 5a, right? Now again the step we follow, we will lock these signs of first expression and change these signs. So whenever we lock minus sign, it will change into plus, plus will change into minus. Now again we will have a partition line and we will do all our rough work over here. Now here you can see plus 3 and plus 1. These two numerical coefficients are there. You will write here plus plus sign of plus, add the numbers. So 3 plus 1, 4. So here you will write plus 4b. Next is plus 5a minus 6a. So here you will write the numerical coefficients plus 5 minus 6. That is plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number. So here you go, minus 1a plus 4b. This is the answer that we actually want, right? Now students, move to the next example, that is example number 5. Subtract minus 3p square from 9p square plus 2pq. Now you can see the statement. It is little strange. Why? Because earlier we were subtracting the two binomials, right? But now in this statement we are given with first expression, that is the monomial expression, and the second expression as a binomial expression. So students, what if we are given with one monomials and one binomial and we have to subtract them, right? So how we will subtract them? No need to worry. We will follow the same pattern. We will follow the same step that we have followed in the last examples, right? Now here we will start our question by following the first step, that is we have to write here second minus first and we have to write the second expression first. Now here you can see that second expression is 9p square plus 2pq. So here plus 9p square plus 2pq. Again why plus? Because in the given statement with 9 no sign is there. So that means plus sign you will put here, right? Next is the first expression is minus 3p square. That means only one term is given to you and that is with the variable p square. So you will write the minus 3p square just below the term with the variable p square. So here it is plus 9p square. So exactly below plus 9p square you will write here minus 3p square. Now which term is missing? The term in the second expression, in this expression, the term is missing with the variable pq, right? So here you will write 0pq because this term is missing in this expression, right? So here you will write plus 0pq. Alright. So now here what we will do, we will lock these signs and change them. So plus will change into minus, minus will change into plus. Now again what we will do, we will have a partition line and we will do our all calculation over here. Now we will take plus 2 minus 0, that is plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number. So here plus 2 minus 0, that is plus 2. So here you will write plus 2pq, right? Next is plus 9p square plus 3p square. So again you will take here numerical coefficients like plus 9 plus 3, that is plus sign of plus, add the numbers. So here it is plus 12, right? Plus 9 plus 3, that is plus 12. So here you go. Your answer is for these expressions, that is plus 12p square plus 2pq, right? So this was very easy example, students. If you're given with monomial and binomial and you have to subtract them, so no need to worry, we will follow the same pattern, same steps, and we will solve the example or the different kind of sums, right? Now students, these examples that we have just solved, these were so easy, and I hope all of you are able to do the related homework that we have already sent to you in your snap homework. But students, before starting the homework, please go through the YouTube links, because all these links will definitely help you for solving and understanding all these type of questions in a better way. Thank you.